Week 2 already, and witness testimony continuing today over in Davenport, that's in Scott County, in that murder trial involving the murder of Michelle Martinko in 1979.
Jerry Burns is accused of killing the Cedar Rapids teenager. State prosecutors continued calling past and present investigators as well as technicians from the Iowa Division of Criminal Investigation.
KWWL reporter Travis Breeze live for us tonight again in Davenport this week to explain how a natural disaster played a part in today's court proceedings.
Ron and Abby, the devastating flood of 2008 swamped much of the Cedar Rapids Police Department's basement evidence room. So today, officers were talking about what shelf they may have kept the dress that Martinko was found in, as well as the qualifications and timestamps of everybody who may have handled it since 1979. No matter how minute the detail seemed,
I brought a kit with me, which consisted of basically a long Q-tip. I put rubber gloves on.
Crime scene technicians talked jurors through virtually every aspect of the DNA collection that connected Jerry Burns to Michelle Martinko. Investigators explained their covert collection methods, scooping straws and old trash from members of the Burns family.
The DNA donor could not be eliminated as the major contributor to the DNA profile previously developed from stain number F5.
Retracing their steps of who handled the evidence, the defense flagged one event out of everyone's control.
It smelled like the flood.
Officers admitted the evidence didn't stay pristine.
But it looks like the outer paper's been either wet or sat in a human room for a while.
Crime scene technicians said they strive to match DNA strands at 15 locations.
A match at 12 loci I would only expect to come from an identical twin of Jerry Burns.
Now, a disaster relief company in Cedar Rapids called Munters dried several pieces of evidence for CRPD after the flood. Today, the defense pointed out that a couple pieces of evidence from different cases were returned in the same box, but it was agreed upon that they were individually bagged up. Reporting live in Davenport, Travis Breeze, News 7, KWWL.
Travis, thank you. Now, investigators believe the killers suffered several injuries of their own during the murder.
Now, defense attorneys asked the witnesses today if that meant there should have been more blood on the scene. And the investigators replied they really don't know for sure.